What's good, y'all? It's your boy Macdashack. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. Today I'm going to be making salt and pepper fish using cod. Alright, let's get it. Alright, first thing we're going to do, we're going to chop these things into cubes. Alright, cut it down the middle. Alright, and then boom. Not cubes, but nice, perfect, long slices. You know what I mean? Just like that. Nice and thick. Nice and thick. Like Miss Parker, you heard? Boom, do the same to the other piece. Look at that. Thicker than a Snicker, you heard? Gonna switch up the style cooking this time. I know y'all be hearing me trying to rap and all that shit, but not today. Then you repeat the process. Use the other one, boom. Just keep going with it like that. You know what I mean? This shit falling apart and everything. Like and subscribe one time too, y'all. It'll help out the channel, please. Boom. You see that? Smells like the Little Mermaid's fish porcelain. Smelling like under the sea. Alright, now you got that cut up. Let's marinate it. Dump the fish into a little bowl, container, whatever you got. You know what I mean? Don't break it. You break it, you're gonna turn these things into fish balls. You know what I mean? Dump it in there just like that. Cocoon cow. You know what I mean? First, we got the onion powder like Luke Ridnour. You know what I mean? More seasoning the better. We got a vampire's kryptonite, you know what I mean? Some garlic powder. Coop like that. Feel sorry for what's the vampire from the vampire movie? Jacob Edward Scissorhand. I know everybody want to get that high blood pressure, so we add salt. You feel me? Not too much though, because you're gonna be thirsty and your throat gonna be dry. My guy, Asian secret, chicken powder for everything. Boom. And now you get to mixing. Quit picking your dick skin. You know what I mean? Get your hands like this. Well, man, you see that? Do you see that? You wouldn't want to be that though. You heard? Get all that flavor in there. You know what I mean? Get the flavor in there like swimwear. Boom. Ta-da! Now, you just add a shitload of cornstarch. You know what I mean? Cover it up. That should be good, you know what I mean? You don't want to overdo it on the powder unless it's going in your nose. Just kidding. Don't do drugs, kids. Stay in school. Don't be a fool. So now mix it up. Boom, boom, boom. Let me hear you say, ayo, ayo. I suggest you make a batter, but I ain't got time right now. I got places to be, things to do in a bit. So boom, should look like this. Now it's ready to fry, my guy. Let's take a dive. And just so we clear, I'm about to use the same oil I used from the other day cooking egg rolls. Shit, I ain't gonna be out here wasting oil. Shit expensive. And I'm broke, so don't judge me. Time to check to see if the oil's ready. Ready? Oh, dang, ready spaghetti. And bruh. Failed. Lights deceiving me and shit. Can't see, I'm blind. Let's go, it's ready for real this time. Whoa. Whoa. Cook until golden brown. See, I'm not lying to y'all about the oil thing. I don't play. I don't lie. I ain't gotta do it for looks. See that? Boom. Can't see nothing. Can't find my fucking kitchen tools. Joke time. You know what time it is. Chinese jokes all day. I got one for y'all. What do you call a Chinese man with one leg? Y'all give up? Taiwan shoe. Yeah, I definitely should have used the batter. Oh well, fuck it. Still gonna taste good. All right, while we wait for all the fish to cook, let's make the sauce. Simple ketchup and mayo. Jeff Bezos, feel me? Mayo, like I say so. Cacao, you know what I mean? And my dad don't know how to say ketchup, so he say ketchup. So catch y'all later. Chili oil, all right? Chili oil. This is gonna burn your booty good in the hood. You don't want too much though, cause you know what I mean? My stomach a little sensitive. And you get to mixing. Quit picking your dick skin. Tastes like a bunch of regrets later. Damn, bro, these things looking like popcorn shrimp. Popcorn fish. Look at that. Ooh. telling y'all, bro. Look at that. Come on, y'all. Can't beat that. Look how golden them things is. Come on, cuz. Like and subscribe for that thing. Alright, y'all. So these bad boys cooked, alright? Add some more high blood pressure. Salt and some black pepper. Boom. And now, your Thai chili. Boom, boom. Done. And now you ready to eat, mate? Alright, y'all. Let's do a taste test. But I gotta wait for the rice, so fuck it. I'm just eat it like this. I'm hungry. Look at that. Nice and golden, right? Like a trophy. Dip it in the mayo. Mm-hmm. Feel me? Oh yeah. That's smack. That's the rice. That's the rice. It's done. Let's keep going with these jokes, all right? I got another one for you. What has two wings and a halo? A Chinese telephone. Wing wing, halo.
That's crazy!
Alright, we got the rice now. Feel me? Let's get into it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Take a bite of that. With the rice fresh out the pot. Woo! Yeah, y'all should definitely try this recipe out, man. No lies. It's really good. Quick and easy. Save you a lot of money. And with a good cut of fish. Cod by Captain Hook. A little bit in the sauce. Oh, man. Y'all can use sriracha, too, instead of ketchup. For all y'all spicy lovers out there. Alright, let's do another joke. What do you call a Chinese man in the summer heat? Boiling.
That's crazy!
You know I gotta go with the Coke Zeros. Cherry Coke Zeros. Cause I ain't trying to get diabetes. Still gotta work with my penis. Y'all want more jokes or what? Let me show you the inside. I forgot all about it. Look, check this out. Look at that. I'm telling you. It's the real deal, Holyfield. And the rice. Shout out my Chinese people, man. I love y'all. Before I wrap this thing up and do another joke for y'all, alright? So it's 3 or 4. Every time I do a video, don't matter what you eat, it's black, white, Asian, Hispanic, turtle, frog, I'm getting your ass. What do you call a rich Chinese man? This should be easy. Chang chang. Alright, y'all. Peace. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Peace and love. I'm out of here.